Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you through the tutorial video of how to live stream on Facebook. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and tap on the Facebook. And once you are inside the Facebook, you will be appear with somewhat like this on your screen interface. So in order to live stream on Facebook, what you gotta do is first of all, go ahead and tap on your Facebook profile and scroll down, and right there you can see live photo and live event option. So in order to live stream, click on live, and there you can see go live option. Simply tap on it in order to go live or live stream on Facebook, and that's how easily you can live stream on Facebook. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If yes, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.